Out of wire? You gotta love it.
I knew it was coming soon.
Trying to mock everything in here. Now we're putting a bar across here to hold this side of the engine. We'll have to weld some stuff up in here. Yeah, I figure we mount those two brackets up here on this plate. Maybe I'll put in a couple, down brackets from here to here.
Yeah, I would.
Going from here to here. Or give a little more rigidity. I can't say the word.
Rigidity?
Rigidity.
Virginity?
Rigidity.
It looks nice. Now that's how the welds look like all the time. In there to mark the holes. The marker wouldn't let me. Just inch over.
Yeah, center.
Measure over.
Center right here.
Yeah. I got a little bit of it, see? Just use that drill bit.
Yeah, let's use that one. Big ol' holes. Get the drill work. Oh, that's the knee. There's a battery on the bandsaw.
Woof.
Whoa. So use that one.
If it has any life.
Come on!
Where's the solid?
In one of the Milwaukee bins, the big one. Probably the rolly bin on the bottom.
I was trying to think of what else you guys wanted.
Well, you want to try to drop it one last time? Not really leaking my antifreeze everywhere.
What?
Okay, drop this one last time.
Drop it?
No, I'm gonna put it back down there. Okay.
Oh, you want to draw it?
I'm gonna put it On there one more time.
Smack my baby right behind. You're past it.
You're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gotta go down a little more.
Does it?
Yeah. A little bit more.
I'm good on mine. You might get some really fast. Yeah, maybe a hair more. Wow. There we go. Oop.
Little Hemi-o. Little Hemi though. Little Hemi though. It moves every time.
Okay. Is there any way to hit yours?
All these fucking clutches in the way.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, just about stick it in there.
Just stick it in there.
The seatbelt's in the way and fucking clutch, whatever the fuck this thing is. Speed sensor,
Seatbelt.
yeah, that we're lifting it with.
Oh. It's impassable. We can measure over. It's
I'll just
fine.
measure it. Let's measure it. I got
I mean,
one
you
of
could
them.
just drill a hole fucking
I'll just measure it over.
right here, and it's gonna be in there.
Yeah. You drop it.
Like a pilot hole, you know what I mean? It's really fucking-
Pull your side.
It needs that fresh oil.
This is barely on there. I just got this one hooked. Just enough to we can get to our hole.
Bloopies.
You got the lid for this guy?
Oh, here we go. Doing that motor mountain stuff.
Alright. We got a tape measure right over there.
Nope. Whoa.
Oh, my bad. You're trying to measure this.
Yeah, tape measure.
I was trying to move it out.
Good thing the camera don't jump. Cause I did.
Yeah, about that. Oh, we're right on. Look at that.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. I marked the middle.
Nice.
Nice.
He's a squeaker.
Double teaming that bitch. In the words of my great friend Jesse, this is damage.
Alright.
The whole ceiling's gonna collapse.
Well, if we get it on the cart, we don't gotta worry about collapsing the ceiling.
Goddamn right,
So,
son.
Alright, I'm close. I'm close there.
I'm pretty
Get
close.
some bolts in there.
do we have any?
Yeah, this one's
Show enough.
This one's for that side. Because it has that big hole in the whole thing. Got more washers and more washers.
We need more washers.
Gosh dang and seatbelt, man, I tell you what.
Does that help any or?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, sir. Them a done. Yeah, no damn more. Oh, come on. Is that washer really not gonna come through there? It's stuck in the hole. Nice.
Nice.
Feel that.
I love when it does that shit.
Hey, your bolt's right there.
Oh, look at that. I'm over here looking for it. I already got one.
I just saw it when you came over here. Just saying. Just saying. This is recording like a 15-minute video there, Timmy.
It says it's recording, but it's not.
Can you hand me that washer
It
down
is,
there?
but it isn't.
By the chain?
Oh.
Oh, I didn't realize I was on a bar.
Thank you.
Not bad.
You're good.
Just trying to get the best.
I was like waiting for you to like slide out from under it. I'm like, what you doing?
I couldn't feel like what I was on. It's on.
You know what size these are?
No,
Yeah, that's a good question. 15?
No, not that big. 14?
15?
14?
15?
Mine's definitely not.
We have two. Got a whole thingy. A whole debacle.
What is that? 9/16.
15.
14 or 9/16.
The top's different.
That's a 9/16, so it's got 14. Just right there.
This would be the first bolted on thing. Oh, he went and got his own tools. He's like, fuck your toolbox that's big and bulky over there.
No, I just didn't know if you had some shit. I knew I had some shit to put.
Some.
I wonder how that fire looks. How'd that fire look?
About out.
Huh?
It's about out.
Oh, okay. 9/16, I believe. Jimmy toy. Like a toiga.
Toy.
Your side's gotta go up. My side's gotta go down.
My side's supposed to go up. My side's supposed to be right
Yeah,
there.
there you go. Get a little higher. It's a little
See
higher.
much.
Let's go about there. Take it
I need
down.
to hold up there, Jimmy Neutron. Keep it carried away.
I got this part.
I got it. My hand's wedged between it and the clutch. That's what's stopping it from spinning.
Yeah, that's a long ass bolt too.
You happy with where that's at?
Yes, I was going. Yeah, it was good. It was straight.
I don't know if that's gonna hold.
Hold enough for now. Hold enough for now. Yeah, looks pretty good.
Might want to think about putting a washer on that side.
Huh?
Might want to think about having a washer on the top side of the bushing too.
Probably. We'll end up getting
I
there.
thought you had one on there.
I put one on the bottom.
We'll put one on there. Yeah, we'll put another one on later. We'll put another one on eventually.
Yeah, we'll remember.
We're just, you know.
I'm playing around.
We're definitely gonna have to reinforce it.
Okay.
Alright, now let's see this mount.
Oh yeah, boss.
This is where you come in.
Come on there, boss.
They're in the box. That's what we have inside the shop. The dude probably on the bench. Probably will, yeah. I think I seen a couple.
Got a bunch of big ass dumb porosity filled weld in there. It's gonna hold though.
It's gonna hold though.
Hey, she's a flux core. What do you want? Nobody said it's gonna be pretty.
They all should be pretty.
And I promise you, she is not gonna break. At least not right here. Yes, sir. There was a pretty big gap there. I filled her in.
Maybe about there.
Alright. You're the boss. You take no responsibility for this.
You welded my triangle. I'm just fine away.
Trying to make sure I didn't.
You take the triangle off now, you're good.
Okay.
That's that.